Keep your project car going longer with Quaker State Full Synthetical. Just want to give them a quick thanks for sending this out and keeping my 3000 GT VR4 in tip-top shape.